Welcome back, weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. How are you guys doing? I'm doing awesome. I've got some more fun stuff from Jofay. They sent over a bunch more of their new press-ons, and thank you so much to Jofay for sponsoring another video and helping to support my channel. As you guys know, even though the video is sponsored, my opinions are always my own. Nobody can pay me to say anything. If you've been around for a minute, you know that. If you've not been around for a minute, hi, I'm Marlakris. Thank you for being here. Consider subscribing if you like nail content. I do this stuff twice a week, every week on this channel. And if you like the video at some point, feel free to give it a thumbs up. It actually really helps out my channel and I would super appreciate it. So we're going to get right into these press-ons. I've had a lot of requests to show the actual application, how I put them on my nails and how I take them off. So I'm going to show you all of that today in this video. First things first, we got to open up this package. Now remember, nails are jewels, not tools. So let's use something else to pry open boxes. If you're anything like me and you have very thin, flexible, breakable nails, you know, if you know, you know, and I'm not trying to break my nails. As short as they are, I don't need them any shorter because there would be no nail left. Anyways, these press-ons do come with everything that you need to apply them. It comes with a little instructional manual in case you feel like you need that, although this is pretty self-explanatory. I like using the adhesive tabs. I know that some people don't like them, and that's okay. If you want to use glue, you are welcome to use nail glue, dip base, whatever you have on hand. That might give you a longer lasting manicure. However, I don't like the removal when it comes to nail glue. I'm just going to size out my nails real quick, just so you know what I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, getting the nails that fit my nails. You know what I mean. Anyway, so if you're using nail glue to apply your press-ons, you will need to soak them off. You do not want to pry off nails that are attached with glue. That is how you're going to wind up damaging your nails. So you'll have to soak them off, which is fine because these are so reasonably priced. I'll leave the price points and stuff up on the screen for you guys. I think there's a ghost in my house. I don't know if you can hear that. My son is singing opera. Anyways, my son just graduated, like literally yesterday, and I'm still beside myself. Anyways, so long story short, don't pry off your nails if you have attached them with glue. Also, these are not extensions, press-ons, whatever you want to call them, that I would recommend using gel to adhere. The thing with gel, especially with gel, that can cause some serious contact dermatitis and gel allergies because the gel may not cure all the way underneath an opaque extension. And don't let it fool you, because even if it seems like it's very secure on the nail, you don't know if it's cured all the way through, and that can lead to gel allergies, which nobody wants. So we're going to use the tabs. That is my preferred method of application. I do get a week wear using the tabs, and I'm going to show you how to remove them so you can reuse them later. So I'm going to go ahead, start off with the tabs. I'm going to start with my pinky only because I feel like I need the mobility in my thumb and my index finger to do this stuff. So I start with my pinky first. I work my way to the other side. I'm just going to slap on a tab that I think will best fit my nail bed. Now, granted, my nail plate, I should have said. My nail beds and my nail plates are super long, so not a lot of them fit me well. These are not bad. They're not super long. They don't fit me perfectly. If you have shorter nail beds than me and you find that these are too big, cut them to fit your nail, or just slap them on the press-on and then put the press-on on your nail. They're really customizable like that. Speaking of which, if you want to customize your press-on nails, you can totally do that too. If you want to change the shape up, if you want them a little shorter, you can totally customize these. Most press-ons do have a little like nubbin at the end. Is anyone else having a flashback to that scene from Friends?
That's my nubbin.
Anyways, oh man, it's loud in my house. This is going to be my voiceover for the foreseeable future now that I have kids that are out of school. Yay, joy. I'm excited. Yeah, so I'm going to press on, literally. You get the tab on your nail, you apply your press on. You want to get this as close to your cuticle area, as close to the skin in the back of your nail as possible without touching skin. You're not going to hurt anything if you touch your skin with the tab or the press on. However, that might not be comfortable for you to wear. So I'd recommend not doing that. Also, if you need to file the press on around your cuticle area or around your sidewalls to perfectly fit your nail, you can totally do that too. For some reason with Jofay, I tend not to need to do that. I don't know what the magic is. I feel like they made them for my nails, which I absolutely adore. So I don't have to do that, but if you do, you're more than welcome to. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the nails on, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to do a removal. So I went ahead and finished getting all of the press-ons applied, installed, whatever you want to call it. Here is what the set looks like. This is so my heart. I realize they're not super summer-esque, but when I saw like cheetah print, leopard print, y'all know that I needed to. They have some gorgeous press-ons though. Check out Amazon. They have so many to pick from and so many different sizes, shapes, lengths, different everything. They're beautiful. Anyway, they are super strong, super secure. They're not going anywhere. As mentioned, I do wear these for a whole week. I could probably keep them on even longer. And I do all the things. My hands are in water all the time between dishes, showers, rubbing my scalp with dry shampoo because I'm one of those girls where I only wash my hair like twice a week. Am I gross? I don't know. Maybe. Comment down below. Let me know how often y'all wash your hair. What an awkward and weird conversation. Anyway, as mentioned, I'm going to gently file off the little nubbin at the free edge of the nail, and these are done. If you wanted to throw a gel top coat over them, you totally could. Although, and I've done it before with other press-ons, however, these, the finish on them, the top coat is so beautiful, I don't do a thing. You really don't need for anything else to do these press-ons. All you need is the kit. And for less than $8, you really can't go wrong. Even if you soak them off or want to throw them out when you're done, for $8, I mean, you're getting a full set of nails to wear for at least a week. Try getting that at a salon. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and wear them for a week. And now we're going to do a full removal. Now, again, I know I'm a broken record. I'm like a parrot, but please do not do this if you have glued on your nails. Only if you're using the tabs. If you glue on your nails, file off the shine just like you would for a set you would do normally and soak them off. They soak off in literally 5 minutes with the warm rice method. I'll leave that video up in the cards. But for me, since I use the tabs, I'm going to throw on a little bit of cuticle oil. Get that kind of into that cuticle area, and that's going to essentially loosen the adhesion of the tabs. And then I'm just going to take my orange wood stick and pop them off, and it's that easy. And you can take the adhesive off of the press-on too, so they're like brand new and you can totally wear them again. And I save mine because you never know when you're in the mood for the same manicure that you did a while ago. You ever have those moments where you do a set and you love them so much and you never want to take them off? Well, with these, you can kind of have your cake and eat it too. You can do your favorite set of nails, pop them off, and then use them again whenever you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and get them all removed. And as if you didn't know my final thoughts, I'll give them to you here in a minute. So as you guys can see, my nails suffered zero damage. The press-on suffered zero damage. No nails were harmed in the making of this YouTube video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I so appreciate you guys. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.